Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in another dot mandala making video. This is a 12-inch MDF and I have already drawn circles and I have made grids also. These are the colors that I'm going to use: light violet, very light shade of violet, golden yellow and white. Let's start dotting now. In the center I'm going to start with white color. In the next circle I'm going to use this light shade of violet. This is very light violet. In the next circle it's going to be light violet dots. Now in between any two light violet dots I'm going to keep two tiny dots. Now in this circle I'm going to keep very light shade of violet dots. Now I'm keeping white dots just above those light violet dots. Now I'll keep again a light violet dot. Now I'm going to work the dots with white color. Now second layer of working the dots with this very light violet shade. So I'm going to keep a straight swipe, yellow color. Now I'm going to keep two side swipes in light violet color. Now I'm going to keep light violet dots on all the lines in this circle. Using this tool, I'll again keep a light violet dot very closer to this circle line. Now I'm keeping very lighter shade of violet dots. Now I'm going to work the dots. Now I'll work the dots using this light violet throughout this circle. I'm going to keep white color swipes. Now on both the sides I'm going to keep yellow color swipes. Now I'm going to keep white color dots in this entire circle. Now I'm going to keep two tiny dots in between any two white dots here. Now in the next circle, I'm going to keep golden yellow dots. Now I'm going to keep two tiny dots. So I'm going to keep very lighter shade of violet dots in the next circle. Now I'm going to keep two tiny dots in between any two very lighter shade of violet dots here. Now in the next small circle, I'm going to keep light violet dots. Here I am keeping two dots on the line and one in the center, and after keeping the center dot, I'll keep two dots on either side. So that fills one small grid with totally 5 dots here. In the next broader circle here and on all the lines, I am keeping this light violet dots again. Now I am going to keep two yellow color dots. Now I am going to keep light violet dots here. Now I am keeping white dots, which is pretty closer to the light violet dots. Now I'm going to work the dots with white. Now I'll work the dots in very lighter shade of violet. Now I am keeping third layer of working the dots in yellow color. Fourth layer will also be the same color, but the tool will be different. I'm going to keep light violet color swipes in the middle, a pretty straight swipe here, and then I'm going to use this nail art tool and then drag it to look like a swipe. Now I'm going to keep very light violet color swipes on either side of this light violet swipe, and I'm going to do this throughout the circle. I'm going to keep very light violet color dots in this circle using this tool. I'm going to keep a straight swipe in between any two very light violet dots here. Now I'm going to keep light violet color dots in this final space here, and then the dot mandala will be over. So here I have kept 2 dots exactly on the lines and 1 in the center, and 3 dots on either side of the center dot. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala, and thank you for watching.